So as you guys saw, today we are using the Corvus 7.5 OS on our Redmi Note 9 Pro. It's based on Android 10 and it's popular for its customization and stability. I'm using this ROM on my Redmi Note 9 Pro for 2 days, and today I'm gonna share my experience with this ROM with you guys and also gonna tell you how you can install it. So you will get this kind of look when you install this ROM. And here you will get a lot of options to customize. On this build, you will get the Android 10 gesture, and when you will swipe up, you will get your app drawer. So here you will get a till button, and if you swipe it left or right, it will take you to the last tab you have used. And here if you swipe like this, you will get your recent tabs. So on this build of Corvus, you will get a home screen like this, and if you tap like this, you will get these 3 options. And on the Corvus settings, you will get a lot of options to customize your icons, your home screen, gesture and missionaries. And here you will get a lot of things to add on your screen. And if you go to the style and wallpapers, we will get some options to customize our wallpaper. And also we are gonna get some options to customize our lock screen clock layout. Just select the layout you like and tap on apply, it will be applied. The link of this ROM will be in the description, download it and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are talking about calling, you will get this kind of layout on this ROM. And the Robi and Airtel SIM is working perfectly on this ROM. I'm from Bangladesh, so I can show you how it goes with Jio SIM, so I'm sorry about that. So if you call in 123, as you can see, it's working fine. And if you are talking about the camera, I don't know what kind of camera developer gave us on this ROM. It doesn't have a lot of features, so I'm not gonna recommend this camera to anyone. I'm gonna recommend you guys to use the Gcam. And if you are talking about the notification panel, here you will get a lot of options to customize. But there's a thing I have noticed on this ROM, the notification doesn't have any dark mode option here, which seems the bad side of this ROM to me. And also you can't enable the Wi-Fi and hotspot in the same time. And now if you are talking about the settings, here you will get this kind of settings panel here. And if you check out the Ravens layer, on system you can customize the notification and missionaries. On lock screen you can customize the lock screen item and fingerprint prefs. On status bar you can customize your battery options, carrier level, clock options, icon manager, quick settings, traffic indicators. On hardware you can customize your buttons, navigation and power menu. And if you check out the themes, also here you will get a lot of options to customize, like font type, icon shape, status bar, swipe style, a lot of things. And here's the interesting thing. On system theme, you will get a lot of type of dark modes here. And if you're talking about the apps and notification, you will get this kind of layout here. And on the battery section, you will get battery saver, adaptive battery, battery charge warning and smart charging. And also in the display section, you will get a lot of options to customize your display. And on sound settings, you will get some options to customize your media volume, call volume, ring volume, alarm volume and notification volume. And also on this ROM, you can turn on the haptic feedback. It will not crush your system UI. So it's a plus point of this ROM. And on this privacy settings, you will get this kind of layout here. On security, you will get this kind of layout here. And on the screen lock, you will get swipe, pattern, pin, password and none. And also you can use the fingerprint security on this ROM. And now if you're talking about the Android version, you can see it's running on Android 10.0. And as I said, it's an official ROM. And here you will get the security patch of July 5, 2020. So in this ROM of Corvus, you will get this kind of sound panel, but the thing is, it's not that much customizable. And in this ROM of Corvus, you will get only 15 apps pre-installed here. But the funny thing is, you will not even get the YouTube here. You have to manually download it. Doesn't matter what you have the Play Store here, you can download whatever you want. Developer says that this ROM is official and is stable, but I don't know why. I was using the YouTube and I just pressed the volume up button and my phone rebooted to the recovery mode. And I was like, what the fuck? Anyways, now I'm gonna tell you how you can install this ROM on your device. So for installing this ROM, you need these 2 zip files, the Corvus ROM and the Cortana firmware file. Links will be in the description. So after downloading these files, you have to reboot to your recovery mode. In this Corvus ROM, you will get an option to detect reboot to your recovery with this advanced option. So after rebooting to the TWRP, you have to go to your wipe, then advanced wipe, then you have to select the Dolby cache, data and cache. Then you have to swipe to wipe. Then you have to come back, then you have to go to format data and type yes. Then go back. Now go to the install and find out the FW file and flash it. And after it's done, just flash the Corvus ROM. And after it's done, just come back, go to the wipe, then format data, type yes and format it. Now just reboot the system. It may take a little time on first boot up. So now you are good to go. So this was for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.